Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Dodge Viper SRT-10. This two-door coupe has a 10-cylinder, 8.4-liter V10 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Dodge is a great value with less than 11,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.